of the world, Philippines.
This is about my life and my hope for this generation and to all the people. After my parents separated, I thought survival was my only option, and the dreaming was no longer meant for me. As I grew older, I realized I was not alone. Many children in the Philippines are forced into survival because of corruption, while others across the world are robbed of their childhood because of the injustices of war, crisis, and conflict. Humanity must be rooted in peace and integrity. Our future should never be shaped by greed, but by compassion and responsibility. I hope one day no child will be homeless or broken like me, because every child will finally have a future they can call their own.
Thank you, man of the world, Philippines.